Emakhosini siyafusela, siyanibingelela. I love it every time I come back on this platform. And then I remember why I resorted to subscriber lives only. Ngihlezi ngikhumbuza ukuthi why nginilaxazile ngenze live yama-subscriber only. But namhlanje because I've been instructed ukuthi ngibusisa amanzi, ngizowenza lo live ngendlela engiwenza ngawo. And then ikusasa ngivalele ngaphandle siphindele kwama-subscribers as we move forward. So ngibingelela nina nedawule nihamba nazo. Isithunywa sami inkosi yami ave sithanda izinto ezi. Ngiyibhubhile njalo le ngoba engidlalayo manje. So yeah, I'm very impressed with this Thunywa sami. As-deal kuphela nezinto zasesontweni. Hayi, anqina ukuthi ngidlalele ingoma ka-Tupac ingonakele lutho singaxabene. Anyway, do yourselves a favor and do me a favor, ne? You know what to do as my viewer. Do right, so that one is going to be motivated to come back to such a platform in this manner. Otherwise ngizoloku ngivalela ngaphandle ngigijima niye ku YouTube niye nakuphi kanti you are not doing what you are supposed to be doing here. Now namhlanje ngiza nemfundiso esiyaziyo kodwa I'm coming from a different angle as usual. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngokuthi lo muntu wena ombonayo kahle kahle uyini kuwena. Yena ngicabanga ukuthi isifundo sanamhlanje it's something that you need to reflect on for the rest of this week ngiyacela. Ngoba isifundo engicabanga ukuthi sibaluleke kakhulu. Lo muntu osempilweni yakho ombonayo. So uyambona lo muntu, ne? This person is in your life. Wena umbona eyini kanti yena uyini. Kahle. Niyayibamba lento. Niyayibamba. Niyayibamba ne? Right. You know, ngenzeke empilweni wena ubone umzali ngifuna uqala nje ekhaya ubona umzali lo mzali ngendlela ombona ngayo wena umbona ewumzali kanti useyekile ukuba umzali use umuntu okudonsela phansi okuhlehlisela emuva ufuna nje uhambe nami ungasali. Kuyenzeka ukuthi ubone upartner wakho umbone ewumathandana wakho, your lover, your partner, kanti akasesiyena upartner useyi-enemy yakho. Uthini manje uThango? uThango uthi kwenzeka ngelinye ilanga ngoba ngizoxoxela istory vele osaziyo. Kwenzeka ngelinye ilanga uNkulunkulu etesta indoda ethize ethu Abraham, sizojula kancane. Wathi awuthatha indodana yakho le eyodwa oyithandayo, uhambe uyoyenza i-burnt offering entabeni engizokukhombisa yona, that was Mount Moriah, right? And uAbraham uthatha izisebenzi zakhe ezimbili, uAbraham lo uthatha izisebenzi zakhe ezimbili, aphinde futhi athathe uIsaac indodana yakhe. Sebeyahamba endleleni, ngicela ungasali yizwe lento, yizwe. Endleleni uIsaac ubona uAbraham, uIsaac is seeing his father. Kanti uAbraham is no longer Isaac's father. He is the executioner manje, going in this journey to execute Isaac. Angihlehle kancane ngikuphindele futhi ungasali. Ngithi mina check empilweni yakho ukuthi lo muntu osempilweni yakho ngabe usayilento ekufanele ngabe uyiyona yini na. Ngoba ngenzeka ukuthi umzali wakho wena usambona njengomzali as your parent, kanti uyena umuntu impela okubuyisela emuva. Ngithi mina ake ubheke ukuthi lo muntu lona owumathandana wakho ngabe ngempela usawumathandana wakho noma usejikile useyisitha sakho sekusela ititle ukuthi lo yisithandwa sakho sekusela awucheck ukuthi lo muntu ombiza ngokuthi ucolleague ngabe usawucolleague yini noma uyabona izwe kahle lento hey guys awungizwa uIsaka uhamba nobaba wakhe uIsaka uhamba noAbraham uAbraham is now instructed kill this one sacrifice your son to me uIsaka ubona ubaba wakhe kanti ubaba wakhe is no longer the father ubaba wakhe has stopped being the father and the father has now become the executioner uyena mbulali nangu umbulali wakho Isaka baningi la kunini nihamba nabantu abaseduze kwenu enibathandayo enibakhonzile kanti that person is your downfall so fanele uhamba ucheck ukuthi ngabe ngempela ngisahamba nobaba wami na are my parents still my parents or they've turned into something else. Don't let me go deeper. Abanye benu lana niseyikweletini because you are trying to please your parents and your parents are not feeling sorry for you. Abanye benu nikhipha imali every month usuyikhiphile imali wayideposita yangena kwi bank account yomzali still your parent is still gonna complain and say this money is not enough. Akasesiyena umzali loyo. Abanye benu until today your parents are reminding you ukuthi ngakuzala as if wena wenze application form wa applyela ukuthi lo muntu lokubo yena umuntu okuzalayo. Abanye benu you are in relationships and you are no longer relationshiping lo muntu lona onaye ku relationship is no longer your partner, they've turned into something else. Aloke ekhumbuza ukuthi without me you are nothing. Now bangabuza ubona ukuthi cha ngiyashort. Kusho umuntu does not even provide for you H2O. Kusho umuntu futhi onga provide even ioxygen empilweni yakho. Akutshela ukuthi no. Amanzi la awuyilutho ngaphandle kwami. That person is no longer a partner. Ngithi mina khona indaba esingayixoxi kuleli iBhayibheli esilifundayo lapho khona uAbraham wayeka ukuba ubaba waba ipotential killer ya Isaki. uIsaki bangabe hamba yena ubona ubaba wakhe. Uzuyambuza endleleni uthi baba yebo ngiyazibona inkuni. Hawu madoda ngiyabona ummese. Hawu ngiyabona ukuthi cha impela siya lapha ya. Entabeni siyokwenza sacrifice but manje upha umhlatshelo and the executioner does not. You see, when the person is about to execute you, they never tell you the truth. Uthi Abraham ku Isaac ye ikhululeka wena mfana wami uNkulunkulu yena inqubo lwakho uzoprovide. No uNkulunkulu had provided to Isaac to say thatha lo Isaac lo bephuma endlini uAbraham was clear ukuthi mina njengoba ngiphethe lo mmese ogwaza lo mntwana wami. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo khona abantu abazoqamba amanga uqala ngokungathembeki umuntu bangabe seshintshile ekutheni ebe yilento ekufanele ngabe uyiyona empilweni yakho. Awuyangizwa uqala ngokuthi akushaya angakutsheli iqiniso angalimeli iqiniso ngoba uAbraham lapha kwakufanele ukuthi ngalesikhathi uIsaac ethi baba uAbraham ephendula ethi yebo ndodana. uAbraham baseyabuza ukuthi awu baba ngicela ukubuza ngoba ngiyabona konke kukhona iphi imvu yomhlatshelo. uAbraham basethi uNkulunkulu uthe angenze wena ube umhlatshelo. Ubani wathuma uAbraham ukuthi uAbraham akaqamba amanga kuIsaac because definitely it was not God. Ayangizwa awubheke endleleni yakho there are people who are very close to you baseduze and uyabathanda ngenhliziyo yakho yonke kanti they are no longer what they are supposed to be in your life. Uyambuka umuntu umbuke ulimi lakhe basobuka action wakhe njengananini la khona bangabe khanjwa basethiwa isebenza isale emuva njengoba ethi isebenza isale emuva ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ungabi khona ubufakazi bokuthi ufe kanjani uIsaac la kumele ukuthi makafe khona. Ubaba gada abantu ukuthi bangabe ukuthi uhamba nabendleleni yakamoya. Emva kwalokho basebefuna ukuthi abanye abantu bebe isolated from you because basusi evidence yokukhohlakala kwabo when they are ready to execute you because they are your biggest downfall. Awumbheke ugobela wakho ukuthi ngabe ngempela usawugobela yini usayidlala irole. Umbheke umkhuluthanga ukuthi ngabe umkhuluthanga usayimentor yami ngendlela noma cha iyamhlula le role ngoba endleleni kungenzeka ukuthi wena ubona ukuthi uhamba nomkhuluthanga kanti usuhamba noSiyathango kanti uSiyathango unobuqili phakathi. Uba igada lento endleleni uzothi bawusumbuza uThango ukuthi hawukwenzakalani manje akusenzeki ngendlela esijwayele ngayo. ngoba fanele uzibuza ukuthi uIsaka bangabebuza ukuthi baba ngiyawubona lo inkuni hayi ngiyawubona wona ummese kodwa manje angiyiboni sacrifice. It means uIsaka knows ukuthi vele fanele kube khona isacrifice ngoba vele la ekhaya mangabe senza sijwayele ukwenza umhlatshelo kanje uphike manje lo mhlatshelo this time around. Ngithi mina awuthathe ube seyicathulweni zaka Isaac ngoba njalo thina uma ngabe sikhuluma nani sizontshela ngokukholo lika Abraham awumele kancane ngokukholo ka Abraham awuke ungene ezinyathelweni zika Isaac. uIsaac wayehamba endleleni kuyo entabeni Mount Moriah yena uzibona ehamba nobaba wakhe kanti ubaba wakhe uAbraham is no longer the father, is the potential killer of Abraham. Abantu abasempilweni yakho baningi basondele kuwena. Hayi ngicela ukuthi namhlanje this week ukungenzela exercise ngihlezi ngimthuma ama exercises every week. Ake ngibhekele ukuthi lo muntu okhona empilweni yakho, is that person still playing their role? Is your mother still your mother or are they your downfall? Is your father still your father or are they your downfall? Is your lover, your partner still your partner or are they your downfall? Ungathi uhleli kanti usuhleli uhamba endleleni kanti usuhamba with your executioner. You are walking with your biggest downfall. Abantu bekubuka endleleni uhamba nalomuntu umthanda kangaka beniki nikhanda abantu bebheke phansi kanti wena uzitshela ukuthi uhamba nobaba wakho the same way Isaac ayitshela ukuthi I'm safe, I'm with my dad, I'm with my father. Abraham is my father. Abraham brought me to this earth. Abraham uyayizwa le nto le hoyi kanti akasahambi nobaba wakhe. Ubaba sebisele ku DNA. The mindset has changed kubaba. I-mindset isithi lo mntwana lo ngiyomgaqa umkhonto, lo mntwana uyobe sacrifice ngiyombulala. Because mina nawe we need to be honest about something, because mina nawe kwesinye isikhathi siyalibalekela iqiniso. Asivumelane mina nawe ukuthi if the voice of the angel ayizange izibe khona, uAbraham wayezowenza umsebenzi wokubulala uIsaac, kuvume lokho. Ngoba uthi umbhalo sebelungisile ialtara yokwenza umhlatshelo wokubeka uIsaac. Liqala kahle lithi uAbraham waqale wambopha uIsaac, wambopha. Emva kwalokho wase wambeka endaweni la izoba khona umhlatshelo khona. Usuyambona ke manje uAbraham esewuphakamisa ummese. Njengoba uphakamisa ummese usefuna ukuthi amenze ubaba wakhe njalo loyo. Wenza kubani? Kwindodana. Indodana complied out of trust. Nobody's talking about trust ka Isaac which was betrayed by Abraham. Akekho umfundiso oyikhulumayo le. Ngithi mina bheka wena ukuthi endleleni yakho ngabe usahamba nabantu kusafana ngabe uhamba nabo noma you have been betrayed along the way. Usebona umhlatshelo uAbraham akasaboni indodana yakhe. Kodwa indodana ibona ubaba. Indodana yazi ukuthi lo muntu lo hayi uzongibulala la kiwa khona. Sekungenelela ke manje ingelosi sithi no ungamthinti, ungambeka isandla lo mntwana loyo. Ngabe wena kulo muntu okhona empilweni yakho ngabe ingelosi izongenelela yini? Ngoba phela wena into oyenzayo wena uyamthemba lo muntu osempilweni yakho umtshela zonke imfihlo zakho. And lo muntu lo bangabe ukhuluma naye umbuza ngona kuphendule ngendlela kuphendula ngayo kodwa iqiniso liyashoda. And you've got blind loyalty to this person ngenxa yokuthi usenhlizweni yakho yamthanda. Ngabe usayilento ekufanele ngabe uyiyona yini empilweni yakho noma wena usahleli ne-imagination of what they used to be or what they are supposed to be. Angazi noma niyangizwa yini ukuthi ngithini namhlanje kunini. Ngisabona lo 18 okhona laphezulu. Angazi noma uyayizwa yini lento. Be honest with yourself and be honest with your life and then reflect. Nakho umuntu abanye benu ningabazali ingane isikushintshelile akusiyona ingane. Because they are not doing what they are supposed to do in your life. ingane phela fanele ihloniphe bangabe sikuphikisa kusasiyona ingane leso kumuntu omdala wena usambona ngehlo lokuthi uyingane kanti cha usasukile lapho wena usumzali wedwa uzala wena wedwa you having expectations ukuthi uzodlala irole yakhe akayidlalanga uAbraham irole yakhe yokuthi ebe ubaba because I'm telling you very izinto ezifundamental ekufanele ukuthi uzibambe yebo the instruction was from God however uNkulunkulu akamthuma ngoAbraham ukuthi akaqamba manga kuIsaac uma ngabe uIsaac embuza ukuthi baba kwenzakalani kuyashoda la sacrifice that is honesty came from the father because he no longer saw himself as a father he saw himself as an executioner and ngizothi mina kuwena okwesibili ekufanele ukuthi ukubambe why prepare then uyabona mina life ngichaze khona there was no intercession guys awizwa lena there was no intercession Abraham did not intercede to God to say, God, I am begging you. Please do not do this to my son. But ngiyithatha phi lento le? Asihlehle kancane or rather asiye phambili shall fast forward. uJesu use Gethsemane uJesu uthi Father, if it's possible, let this cup pass. Awuyizwa lento ngisho. It means manje uJesu uyabona ukuthi hayi manje sebeyongihlaba labantu labayana bayongibethela lapha yana isiphambanweni kodwa ke ngicela ukunegotiate nawo okugcina uNkulunkulu uma ngabe wena uvuma bangabe kungenzeka ngicela lenkomishi idlule ngicela lenkomishi ngingayiphuzi niyayizwa lento le the last minute negotiation uAbraham did not do that. Abraham did not say awukodwa Nkosi ngiyacela ukungizwele yebo I'm willing to do akuzange kuze kube khona lokho instead wayibopha ingane wayibeka and he was ready to slaughter ingane yakhe. Now asimuvele kokunye ke senizohlala phansi okwesithwalo isithwalo usethi uNkulunkulu ke okay kufika ingelosi basithi no listen ungamthinta umntwana nanku umhlatshelo lapha ya yes the lamb there or the ram whatever you call it doesn't matter. And God was pleased wajabula uNkulunkulu bangabe jabula uNkulunkulu base uNkulunkulu eyafunga kulontuzana kuAbraham. So the angel of the Lord then says, I the Lord I swear mina nguNkulunkulu ngenxa yokuthi wena you are willing to sacrifice your child mina I will multiply your generation izogcwala kube isizwe ukube sengathi sigcwe isethwalo leso. Bheka kahle 1 uAbraham wayekade engenayo ingane babengenazo izingane uAbraham noSarah right 2 eyifuna lo munye ingane uNkulunkulu wayiprovide ingane ofuthi leyo ngane kwakuIsaac uNkulunkulu wayesathi akuthathwa yona lengane eyodwa yenziwe ibe umhlatshelo right uma ngabe esecomply uAbraham uNkulunkulu akamandiseli ingcebo God does not give Abraham wealth no uandisa uNkulunkulu la ekade kumshodela khona vele uAbraham angazi uma niyayizwa into engiyishoyo ingakho nina kusikhathi samanje bangabe niyothwala ingenxa ukuthi niyahlupheka so nifuna ini umcelo. uAbraham wayekade engahlupheki uAbraham wayekade engenayo ilontuzana ukuthi kube khona umntwana so uNkulunkulu uma ngabe esekubonga ngezenzo zakho he multiplies where you lacked the most iabundance yabaseyinganeni and umuntu abantu abayibuki ngendlela yokuthi no vele kakade uAbraham wayishodelwa abantwana so uNkulunkulu bangabe se-increase inzalo generations inzalo yalento uAbraham kade imshodela and then mina sengiyabuya kumina kwena sengithi no ungayithathi lento ngendlela errong uNkulunkulu for the longest time what Abraham did not have he gave it to him and then he tested him about it. Now asihlehle kancane kisibuyele kwena mntana wethongo mntana wesithunywa mntana wakamoya asibuyele kancane kwena khona lento wena uyidinga kakhulu and yashoda empilweni yakho ayandile kakhulu shuthi ke this session engikuyona njengamanje should then educate you ukuthi uzotestwa ngalokho okuyikona oswele kakhulu. Once you detach yourself from that, it will come to you effortlessly because God and your ancestors would have trusted you ukuthi what you need the most, you do not idolize it. Awungayibeka kamnandi. Uyayizwa le nto le? Ungasali ungizwile kodwa. Ngoba kuyenzeka ukuthi into uyithande, into uyidinge kanti ufuna ukuthi kube isithixo sakho. Ugcina ungasayitholi ngoba uyijaha kakhulu. So wena fanele the art of detachment uyi-apply kulento wena uyidinga kakhulu. Khona leyo nto leyo izojikijahe wena. Ngenxa yokuthi usukhombisile uNkulunkulu nezidalwa zakho ukuthi lento le ayibalekile empilweni yakho okudlula yena uNkulunkulu namathongo wakho. So abanye benu iabundance nivimbe nina ngenxa ye desperation yokungafuni ukuthi lento idinga kakhulu ufike uyibike kwabantu abadala nansi into engidingayo kodwa uma ngabe ningavumi futhi kulungile ungakhombiswe because phela nina ukuphahla kwakho Nkosi yami nokuthandaza kwakho Nkosi yami akuve kuyisicefana isicefe, it has become predictable. Hayi your ancestors nango waqala nje washumisa impepho nje waqala waphaphatha isandla emakhosini bogogo nomkhulu imini umntwana wenu siyabo babizana bonke bethi wozani nizomuza usezofuna imali na ngefuna imali mbize wozani nizomuza sebeyazi. You are so predictable, they know uzofuna imali wena uzofuna imali wena awukwazi nokuyibala kahle imali kodwa wena nje uzofuna imali wena nje njalo nje wena wakhuluma nama ancestors wena ufuna imali wena ufuna imali. Into ekuhlulayo iyakuhlula imali akwazi ukuyibala kodwa ngendlela nje baze bebizana ama ancestors wakho wozani kuseqala isicefe sakho uzofuna imali woza ingakho ungenayo imali. Ingakho ungenayo imali ngoba iyona okhombisa kakhulu ukuthi u desperate for yona, iyona uyifuna kakhulu, idalwa zakho uyibangela isicefe ngemali. Akukho abantu abadala ngicela imali, hawu uNkulunkulu oyingcwele, hawu ngicela imali, hawu bakubuka bathi uzoyenzani imali. Ufuna ukudlala u I blew it. Phela ufuna ukuvela ku I blew it wena. Ngoba phela uyazi imali. Fast njengamanje bangabe ngithi thatha ishumi uhlanganisa no 100 rand, uhlanganisa no 50 rand, no 20 rand, no 5 rand imalini leyo njengamanje. Uyabona ukuthi u blank because awuyazi imali, ufuna into ongayazi, awukwazi ukuyibala. Ngikho manje udidekile njengamanje udidekile. Awuyazi. Yabo? So manje abantu abadala bebona no lento ayifuna kakhulu lona asingamnikezi yona. Ngoba manje uzawuphambana ikhanda and uzosikhohlwa thina njengama ancestors wakhe, uzosikhohlwa thina njengabantu ngoba uhlanyiswa imali lo. Yabo? So mina into engisho yokwena ukuthi today you've learned quite a lot. Okay? Ngithe into yokuqala, homework yakho yokuqala wahamba ucheck ukuthi lo muntu ohamba naye wena njengoba uIsaac ngabusa iyona into ekufanele ngabe uyona empilweni yakho, right? Sengithi mina okwesibili lento yesethwalo yokuthwala awudingi inyanga, awudingi imelaphi, awudingi lutho. I-abundance yakho ihleli kwi-detachment yakho. You detach yourself from what you need the most. You detach yourself from being desperate from that. Yabo? Yeah, wena siyazi thina wena wavuka ngo-12 ebusuku uzokhala ngemali. Ufuna imali kwabantu abadala. Wavuka ngo-3 ekseni wena ukhala ngemali kwabantu abadala. Wavuka ngo-6 ekseni wena ukhala ngemali kwabantu abadala. Wena waphahla hayi ufuna imali. Wena nje kwathi wahlaba imbuzi ayike uyakhukhumala ke lapho ke Nkosi yami. Uyi-owner le cold room ke lapho. Mama kuthiwa wenza umsebenzi wabantu abadala wena. Hayi awuvukhukhumala Nkosi yami. It's like you are doing them a favor ngokuthi ubahlabele le mbuzi noma you are doing them a favor ukuthi ubahlabele le nto usuzoyidimanda ke ngale mbuzi abantu abadala ngicela ukuthi ningiphi imali. It's like now you are negotiating. I'm giving you this goat so you must give me money. That's what you guys do. Nina. That's what you do. When so man just becomes a bit of a problem. Yabo? When relationship yakho wena noNkulunkulu wakho nezidalwa zakho wena you are the one person ongathembekile because wena bawucabanga uNkulunkulu ubona imali, wena bawucabanga izidalwa zakho ubona imali, wena nje into ohlezi uyifuna nje kuphela imali. sesiyazi ngidala mame ungifika lapha ku consultation wenze consultation nami ngiyakubuza ukuthi ugcine nini ukuphahla ngirecord usho ukuthi ugcine nini ukuphahla ngikubuza ukuthi ugcine nini ukuthandaza ngirecord ukuthi but automatically I know ukuthi oh yazi ke manje lo hey uyayiphahlela le mali mana uyayithandazela le mali endakeze ukuyithola le mali hayi mkhulu kuhlangahlangene izinto ayihlangana wena bangabe uthi kuhlangahlangene I'm changing your mindset today wena bangabe uthi izinto zihlangahlangene izinto azihambi kahle wena usuke ukhuluma ngemali wena and your ancestors do not operate ngemali and your God does not operate ngemali bona they expect your faith to be intact bona they provide ama results not imali hey guys yo angizwa man for your ancestors to operate and be functionally they do not need money for them to provide an answer izwa kahle for your ancestors to answer your prayers for God to answer your prayers their solution is not centralized around money and wena uhlezi ubanga isicefe ngemali God will provide what you need and if you are lucky then God will provide what you want but what you need does not mean ukuthi fanele uhlezi kuzimali kuwena so when you're asking for the wrong thing abanye benu ufanele ngabe bathandazela ipeace because your obsession with money has made you to live in a very unpeaceful environment khuluma nani nje njengamanje abanye benu babhizi badliwa abafana abangabathandi la ngaphandle ubekezele ngoba umfana ukunikeza imali it's not a peaceful environment because when ujaha imali instead of asking God to provide a peaceful environment for you abanye benu nisebenza endaweni engayisebenza ngoba nakho ujaha imali kanti you actually need peace uyakwazi ukuthola both peace and money at the same time peace and salary inkinga uya endaweni errong ngenxa yokuthi wenza wena ngokuqonda kwakho are you getting what I'm saying to you now because I need you to understand then there are two versions khona version ka Isaac when I was discerning on this thing today I was saying to God uyazi mina uNkulunkulu mina ngusiyanje ubaba wami ngimbuka njengobaba engibopha ezongibeka efuna ukungibulala na noma kuthiwa befuna ukungibulala uNkulunkulu loyo baba loyo bengizoba mase nginamandla the first thing ebengizoyenza mina empilweni yami ukuthi ngimbulale because he was willing ukuthi ngibulale angithi mina I'm the human being so mina must be honest to say hey lengane kwafanele kube traumatized man ukuthi how could your father iyona into engishayayo lento ke kakhulu ayikho into ekulimaza njenge betrayal yomuntu omthanda kakhulu umuntu omthembe kakhulu uyabona bangabe uzobetray umuntu omthanda kakhulu there are minimum chances ukuthi you will survive or you will heal very fast ukukhohlwa ukuthi lo muntu wenzeni ukukhohlwa ilokho your trauma patterns your sequence of being traumatized by ama actions alo muntu ukukhohlwa ukuthi what did this person do to you usasanganisa ukuthi ngempela uyena lo wenze lento yabona awukakafiki yabo usahleli ngempela uyena lo imagine uIsaac ukuthi ngempela my father lied to me ngempela my father tied me up ngempela my father ungibekile ngempela ubaba ukhipha ummese wasiphakamisa isandla my father how could my father do that uyabona trauma abanye la kunina nisa stuck lapho and that is why your healing process is stuck ustakile you are not going to heal because usazibuza ngempela lo muntu ngimthanda kanjena ngempela lo muntu ngempela uyena asikakangeni ekutheni yini ayenzile sisabuza ukuthi ngempela lo muntu hayi guys angizwe uyabo uzothi usuka lapho emakhosini malethathu uzothi usuka lapho usu acceptile ukuthi uyena lo, then base uyahamba uyobona ukuthi umonakala wenzile ngezenzo zakhe into engakanani. That is a double-edged sword. Ikushaya ngapha, ikushaye ngapha. So now today I'm asking you again one last time. Ikhona lento ekufanele ngabe iabundant empilweni yakho, but wena ofuna ukuthi mawuyilawule ngendlela yakho. Yazi kwesinye isikhathi ukufike lapha yana ukukhulekela into engathi issue. Ngelinye ilanga ngangabonana nesixakaxaka nje singacacile empilweni yami. Ngase ngathi mina uyabona ke namhlanje angizukukhuluma ngale nkinga engibhekene nayo. Ngakhanyisa ibani zami ngaguqa phansi ngase ngathi uNkulunkulu awungisize. Ngicela umbathisa amandla idalwa zami. Ngikhulekela ukuthi my ancestors have the necessary power and the wisdom to use their discretion. God, please give them this power. Ngase ngibuya ngathi nina abantu abadala ngiyanicela nenze okufanele kumina ngaphuma kubona. Angifikanga nenkinga ukuthi awu manje inkinga iwukuthi hayi manje wara. No, they know the problem. They know the problem. Sometimes you must stop talking about the problem. Ukuthi wena uneyikweletu, they know ukuthi uneyikweletu. They know ukuthi uneyikweletu. But manje bayakubuka ukuthi wena awunayo ilontuzana awu address lento efana ngabe uyayi-addressa kubona. Yebo? Then it's then shifts. One day I said to you, sometimes guys, you must make sure it is about him and not about you. Sometimes when you talk to your ancestors, it's about them and not about you. But then I taught you the art of manipulating. The art of manipulating your ancestors. Uyazazi wena ukuthi hayi wena ufuna umuzi wena. Ubatshela abantu abadala uyazi. Bekungakuhle nje ukuthi ninginikeze indawo. Mina engizofihla khona ikhanda. Base nina niyabusa lapho. Bebona ukuthi hawu nangoke useyakhuluma ke manje uThango. Hayi manje nginitshela imfihlo ukuthi njengoba umuntu enophahla olusolid lutholakale kanjani in the first place. Hayi abantu abadala nginikezeni mina ngizobeka nje ikhanda kodwa kuzobusa nini. Nangempela kubusa bona. Because into ebalekile ukuthi when you make the promise you keep the promise. Bakunikeza indawo. Bebona ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo bayophinde bekunikeze nenye futhi and then abundance begins. Ikulandele lento le, ikulandele le. So mina I'm then saying to you, understand the art of abundance. Ukuthi wena uNkulunkulu wakho mhlawumbe operate kanjani because wena uzofuna imali kanti akuyona imali oyidinga empilweni yakho. uAbraham wayidinga umntwana and watestwa ngalowo mntwana oyi1, right? Emva kwalokho kwase kwaba khona isithembiso seabundance kwisizukulwane sakhe. Once wayibamba leyo formula leyo, you'll go far in life. Check your heart. Yini lento wena oyidinga kangaka empilweni yakho that you are most desperate for? Detach from it and say uNkulunkulu bakuthande wena kuzokwenzeka kodwa futhi ungathandanga, it's okay. Detach. uNkulunkulu ebona ukuthi no, lo muntu lona uthanda mina okudlula lento desperate for yona. Then God is then going to provide for you. God is then going to provide for you. Ona indlebe zokuzo uzwile landana amanzi siwakhulekela ngizomtshela ke manzi mangabe ready. Ngilandela amanzi, whether it's a glass of